pocket since I've been home. I searched so far, but all I found there, a couple of Altoids, nasty dog hair. Somebody call me, I got the lost cell phone blues. I woke up this morning, couldn't find my phone. Started to feel freakishly alone. I'm so sad, I let my landline go. My cell's on mute, I'm in the dark. Lord, make it glow. Somebody call me, I got the lost cell phone blues. Now why don't I put it in the same place every time? Not too many windows open in my mind. Tore up my car, poked under the bed. Floor mats were flying, I'm out of my head. Somebody call me, I got the lost cell phone blues. My mama, she told me if I put my toys away, I'd know where they were when it came time to play. St. Anthony, help me, I'm going to ret. It's ADD, mama, I can't help myself. Somebody call me, I got the lost cell phone blues. I can't use social media to wind my pain away, 'cause the Wi-Fi, it's not working today. I call the suicide hotline, but I can't find my phone, so I pray. Hey, somebody call me, I got the lost cell phone blues. Hey, what's my ice pack doing next to the sink? If I was sober, I'd pour myself a drink. If my phone unfreezes, well, then I'll call you. But leave me alone for now, I got the dead cell phone blues. I got the lost cell phone blues. Lost cell phone blues, call me somebody. Maybe. Woohoo! Happy 4th of July, even though it may not be the happiest 4th of July you ever had. This is the only 4th of July that we've got, so let's make it happy, shall we? Woohoo! What do we got down here? Do we got more down here? Whoa! Where are you? I can hear him, but I can't see him. Oh. Woo! Oh, honey, they're already in hell. All right, you want to vote blue?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Woo!
We start with the chorus, remember?
Okay. A qualified woman ran for president. Russia interfered, fake media was sent. Putin's planning more now. How do we prevent our children from wondering where our democracy went? Don't get depressed, don't get too stressed, just get a sign. Protest injustice, march on, speak your mind. You change the world, you go girl. Oh man, you can too, just vote blue. Blue's good for you. A qualified woman ran for president.
Yes, you did.
Russia interfered, fake media was sent. Putin's planning more now. How do we prevent our children from wondering where our democracy went? Don't get depressed, don't get too stressed, just get a sign. Protest injustice, march on, speak your mind. You change girl. Oh man, you can too. Just vote blue. Blue's good for you. They said she was unlikable and didn't know how to dress. So now we've got a moron, a dangerous mess. Each insult he hurls describes himself best. Arrest that traitor criminal, well, I'll get a good night's rest. Don't get depressed, don't get too stressed, just get a sign. Protest injustice, march on, speak your mind. You change the world, you go girl. Oh man, you can too, just vote blue. Blue's good for